Okay, today what we're going to do is, you see how I put this this pipe in here, this grow pipe, and it's working really good. And as you can see, there's peas coming up. And what I want to do is, remember I used to grow tomatoes, and I had a whole bunch of grapes here, and I don't want to do that anymore. And I had a system up here installed, some sprinklers, and they never did keep this wet enough because I guess the sprinklers sprayed all over the place. But as you can see, these I don't know if you, well, let me show you this when I get a little closer. But as you can see up here, see the sprinklers. There's one right there, and they go along, and you can see there's another one right there, and you can see this it looks like sloppy plastic covering that I've left hanging down. And what that's for, actually it has a purpose. It was to let the sprinklers hit that so that the water would basically come straight down. Anyway, so what I'm going to do today, and I got my helper there. Hi, helper. I got my helper today, and what we're going to do is I'm going to put some sprinklers right down here, maybe a foot off the ground, and just basically the idea is to turn them upside down so that they spray on the ground, so that it gets the ground wet and not everything else. That's what we're going to do today. And you can see I've got some of the pipe laid out here, and there's some pieces there, and there's some pieces there. So we are going to start cutting these pieces and put that little sprinkler system in underneath, or right about the same level, or maybe a little bit lower than that grow pipe is. Okay, are you ready, helper? Okay, so my helper here, he put these in, see, right there? And I got all of them, they got started. This is going to hold the pipe up. You can see there's one down there. Let's go here. Maybe you can point them out there, okay? See, there's one there, and one there, and one there. Now we've got to go in the garage and see if we can find some PVC pipe glue so we can cut these and get them all assembled properly. You might see some sprinklers sticking out there on the bottom. Some little pipes. What I've done is I've put a sprinkler system down there, see? And what I'm going to do is start tilling this up a little bit underneath and plant some beans in there. It's a little bit chilly here for beans at the moment. They'll grow, they'll be all right here, but they won't germinate too well unless the soil is a lot warmer. So I'll start tilling this up and preparing it, and we'll start planting beans here. And hopefully, if I time this right, about the time these peas are about done, these beans ought to be coming on. So we'll see how that works out. Okay, here we go. Turn on the pump.